चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदास्मै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय वन्दे गुरुवरदन्दं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोद्यं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद
श्री गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम
हरे
कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे
Yesterday, what did I say? You remember or forget?
The fifth tattva of Viraha.
Huh?
The fifth tattva of Viraha.
Oh, you are right. Huh? Yesterday I told love depends on two things. One is called Milan, another is called Viraha. Three types of also Viraha or three types of also Milan. Huh? भावी विरह, भावन विरह और भाव्य विरह. Huh? You understand or not? Bhavi Viraha means Krishna still in Braj, but Brajagopis, they are feeling separation from him. That types of Viraha is called Bhavi Viraha. Bhavi means future. Eh? So that means when Akrura, he came in Braj, Vrindavan, then Akrura inspired to Nanda Maharaj and Krishna and Balram. They have to go Mathura. And then Nanda Maharaj and declare that tomorrow Krishna and Balram, they will go Mathura. And, so when I heard this katha, then Brajagopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And yesterday I told, these types of viraha is called what viraha? Bhavi viraha. Understand? Krishna still in Vrindavan. But tomorrow he will go. Not today. Tomorrow will go Krishna Vrindavan to Mathura. Why Krishna is going Vrindavan to Mathura? Because Akrur, he told, the Kamsa, he arranged very nice, beautiful, the festival. That festival name is called Dhanush Yagga, or Dhanush Yagga. A nice, beautiful festival of Shiva Dhanush Yagga. That is called Hara Dhanush Yagga. Eh? So Krishna and Balram, they are very inspired to go to Mathura to take darshan. How is beautiful this Jagga or sacrifice of bow. Eh? So when I heard this katha, Krishna Balram, they will go Mathura. When will go Mathura? Are listen Hari Katha. Tomorrow will go, not today. Then all Braja Gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. And this Katha very quickly spread all over the Braj as like fire. This for keep for evening time. I told her no. Very nice. That time all Braj Gopis, they also meet each others. They felt pang of separation. Then they cast to Brahmaji. And 3 slokas are very important in there. The one slok just yesterday I told you. What the slok? Aho vidhata tava nahi kachit daya sanjoga maitra praneni nuva. Then Gopis they told, hey vidhata, you have no any compassion in your heart. Aho vidhata tava na kachit daya. You have no any compassion in your heart. Why? Because you also arrange to meet with our beloved Krishna. And also arrange how to make friendship with Krishna. Everything you arrange. You are the provider. And you did everything. But before our the maturity of our love towards Krishna, then you are going to separate to each other. So that means all your these types of activities as like the baby. Arbhakam chestitam jatha. Arbhakam chestitam jatha. Arbhakam balakam. There is small baby. Small babies, what they are doing? Playing with the small baby frog. Baby frog. And in the well, the baby frog is there. And there is a small boy taking the stone and throwing towards the baby frog. And the baby frog, they also died. And the baby laughing, ha 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 ha. Understand? And as like Muslim cut the and the head of the and the chicken. Understand? Understand? In Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada told, Amar Tumara Bhalobasar, Mulla Sahibir and Murgi Posha. Understand? No. Who knows this word? Pala.
Means that the love I have for you is just like when I'm feeding a chicken, but actually I'm just feeding the chicken because later when they grow very fat, I'm going to cut the neck of the chicken and eat it.
আমার তোমার ভালোবাসা আর মোল্লা সাহেবের মুরগি পোষা. মোল্লা সাহেব মানে মুসলিম. Generally Muslim, they also, what is called? And take care of the chicken because they chicken poultry. Understand? In India mostly Muslim, they are taking care of the chicken. And now everybody chicken, but now everybody also has. Same. Eh? But here saying the Amar Tumara Bhalabasha or Mullah Sahibir Murgi Pasha. Mullah Sahib is Muslim. Taking the nourishment, the chicken, and eating something, and before eating, he also giving the grains to the chicken. And chicken will come eating. Then which chicken is coming very close, then he wait and grabbed and wait. How much? Then you okay, wait, this is 2 kilos, 1 kilo. They go, now he is mature, to cut his head. Understand? So in the same way, in this material world, our love is as like this. Understand? In this material world, love is called same. That means own sense gratification. This is the nature of this matter. You cannot deny these things. Understand these things? So, now gopis, they also blame to Vidhata. So saying, Aho Vidhata Tabana Kache Daya Samyoga Maitri. You are making our friendship with our Krishna. And before our mature love and affection with Krishna, now you are making separate. So all your endeavors is as like baby. So saying the Arbakam Cheshchitam Tatha. This verse is saying. Babies, they don't know. The small frog, they are dying, but baby is also throwing the stone and frog left body. And baby what is doing? Ha ha ha. Baby has no sense. Do you understand or not? Baby has no sense. What he is doing, that's they do. So in the same way, gopis, they blame to Brahmaji. Hey Brahma, you have no sense. Murkha. Gopis are saying this. And in your heart, no any compassion. So saying, Aho Vidhata Tavana Kachid Daya Sangyoga Maitri Pranayena. How we are cruel. In this way, gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. So these types of viraha is called bhavi viraha. Viraha is that. But feeling separation from Krishna in future. Yet tomorrow Krishna will go. Still Krishna is Vrindavan or not? Still Krishna is staying in Vrindavan. But gopis felt pang of separation from Krishna. Or bhavi viraha. Energy called bhavan viraha. Bhavi, bhavan and bhava. Bhavan viraha, this viraha, when Akrura, he took Krishna and Balaram in his chariot, then gopis, they cannot tolerate separation from Krishna. All the gopis, they lay down around the chariot of Akrura. You understand this?
At the moment.
Now, present. So this is called Bhavan Viraha. Bhavan means present. This time is going on this way. That time the gopis, they cried. But Srila Jiva Goswami Pad explained, when all the gopis, they surrounded the gopis lay down, they surrounded the chariot of Akrura. That time Akrura, he is very cruel. He also drove the chariot on the chest of the gopis. He used this word. Actual Akrura, he did not drove the chariot in the chest of the gopis. Understand? Because how? But this mood is coming. Understand? Gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna, but Akrura, he is very cruel. So for the gopis, they told, hey Akrura, you are not Akrura, you are Krur. You are very cruel. I think this thing also. Actual Akrura, he drove the chariot and in zigzagging way. But Jiva Goswami Pad in this way explained, Akrura, he drove the chariot in the heart of the, over the heart of the gopis. This is the thing. For this regard, Akrura, he committed this offense also. Later Akrura, he also involved in what is called, and some Samantak money is that issue. Very nice, beautiful. This story is there. In Dwarka Leela, and Samantak Mani's Katha is there. Why Akrura, he involved in the Samanta Mani's that Leela stolen, this Leela also he involved. Because Akrura, he committed offenses of lotus feet of gopis. Understand? This Leela, who knows? Not listen, are many times speaking. Hola. You forget. And that the money which every day produce the lot of gold. And that money will stay in Dwarkapuri. There are no any kinds of inauspiciousness will come. A long story, later I will tell. This katha is different. So now coming in this way, so these types of viraha is called bhavan viraha, present. Our third types of viraha, I told, bhavya viraha. So when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura and Mathura to Dwarkapuri, then gopis, they completely hopeless and helpless. Then them gopis, they are thinking Krishna will not back to Vrindavan. Because when Krishna, he was going Vrindavan to Mathura, that time Krishna just specified to the gopis, yeah, today I am going, tomorrow I will come back. Day after, today I am going, tomorrow I will kill Kamsa. Then day after tomorrow I will come back. Parasya ayasya me iti dottukam. What did he say? Parasya ayasya me iti dottukam. Krishna told to the gopis, today I am going Mathura. Tomorrow I will kill Kamsa. And day after tomorrow I will return back. But Krishna did not return back Mathura to Vrindavan, according to the description of Srimad Bhagavatam. But other Puranas explain Krishna in Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarikapuri, Dwarikapuri to Kurukshetra, Kurukshetra to again Krishna returned back, Dwarikapuri. Then after Dwarikapuri, Krishna came in Mathura. And then he also killed Dantavakra in there. And after killing Dantavakra, then Krishna crossed Yamuna. He came in Vrindavan and meet with the gopis and performed sweet leela with the gopis. Then Krishna took all the gopis and attended to Golok Vrindavan. This leela also explained this. But Srimad Bhagavatam not mention this leela. Srimad Bhagavatam mention this leela. Ye Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarka, Dwarka to Kurukshetra. Again Kurukshetra to return back Dwarkapuri. Then after Dwarka Leela, the Mausal Leela, different Leela finished. Then Krishna departed from this material, attend to Golok Vrindavan. This katha is this. That is called Mausal Leela is there also. What Leela? Mausal Leela. Very nice, beautiful this katha is there. Srimad Bhagavata explained it. Mausal Leela, Mahisi Haran Leela. Mahisi Haran Leela. When Krishna departed from this Dwarka, and that time Arjun, he brought the queens of Dwarka. That now on the way, some dacoits, they kidnapped the Mahisis. This Leela also, that is called Mahisi Haran Leela. In Srimad Bhagavatam, two Leela is very important in Dwarka. That is called Mausal Leela and Mahisi Haran Leela. Understand? Oh, they translated or not? We translated. Okay. So, what did I say? That is called Mahisi Haran Leela and Mausal Leela. Actually, this two Leela is called Mahisi Haran and Mausal Leela is called what Leela? Maya Bijrivinta Leela. That is called as like Jadukar. Jadukar means magician. Magician showing many types of magic tricks. You are thinking this is true. That is not true. This is true or wrong? Sometimes magician, they are showing to you many kinds of activities there in their hands and depending on mantra, tantra maybe, or hypnotized. Understand? But that is not the truth. In the same way, Krishna in Dwarkapuri, the two Leelas is called what Leela? Maya Bijrivinta Leela. Because Krishna is Jagateswara Bhagavan. He performed this Leela. Who can understand his Leela? No one. Mundane people, they can understand. How possible the queens of Dwarka, they kidnapped by the dacoits? Impossible. But showing this Leela also. Or another Mausal Leela. When Krishna in Dwarkapuri, at that time Krishna's sons and grandsons, they are playing each others. And that time some Rishi Munis, they were staying in Dwarkapuri. And that time, what is his name? Sambho. He disguised the form of one newly married young girl. and also put some cloth in his stomach, and also long bell and around his face. And they came in front of the sadhus and tried to joke with sadhu. Sometimes the people there, this is their nature, joke with the sadhu. Joke with the sadhu. So in the same way, they also asked the sadhu, or this newly married young girl, just the first time pregnant, she will give birth a baby. So you tell to us, she is very shy. For this regard, she cover her head with a long veil. So please tell to us, she will give birth son or daughter. You are sadhu, so you know. You understand? Generally, people are thinking sadhu, he knows everything. Understand? Laughed and joked with us. That time, when they joked, and that time, the one very powerful sadhu, not mentioned in the name, maybe Narad or Durvasa Rishi there. Very powerful sadhu. He realized, oh, you want to joke with us. Then he gave curse. Oh, she will not give birth any son or daughter. No baby she will give birth. She will give birth. What? Musala. Musala, understand? The last part of grinding metals. And that iron. That is called musala. When you grinding any grains, that time the people also use this thing. But I did saw. I saw it. But inside, they will use the one iron ball. Iron ball is there, and they are grinding this. That is called musala. Musala. And this musala will the cause of that destroy all your Jadu dynasty. When Rishi gave this curse, then all they afraid. They very quickly opened their stomach cloth. Then saw one also iron bowl in there. Musala is there. That time thinking what will do? This iron bowl and musala is the cause of the destroy his Jadu dynasty, Jadu Vamsadhansa. Then they asked to Ugrasen, because that time Ugrasen is the king of Dwarka. Actually, Krishna is very humble. Krishna, he did not sit on the throne of Dwarka or Mathura. And he ruled everything. Understand? But Ugrasen is the king. Just Ugrasen is the, what is called? Speaker. And what is called? Representative. And everything also are doing Krishna. So everybody knows, for this everybody knows Krishna is called Dwarkadhish. And he is the king of Dwarka. Actually, who is the king of Dwarka? Who is the king of Mathura? Ugrasen. He gave attorney power to Krishna. You understand? So now coming in this way, what is called spokesman. You know spokesman? Understand? Someone front doing everything, but behind someone he what? What would you do? That's the spokesman. Understand this? So now coming in this way, so Ugrasen he told, oh, this is so this iron we have to rubbed in the stone. So all the Jadavas, they brought the stone on the beach of the ocean, and there are the many stones, they also rubbing. And then last part of the iron they throw in the middle of the ocean. And then one fish and ate that the iron, and one fisherman he caught that the iron. He caught that the fish. Then he cut the stomach of the fish, then found that the small and piece of iron. And then he gave to one hunter, his name is called Jaravadha. Answer. So Krishna Dev. So Jaravadha, he also used that the last part of iron for his tip of his arrow. Or when Krishna was sitting and in Prabhas Ketra, on the branches of the tree, that time he seated on the lotus feet of Krishna. Then Krishna left body. This katha is saying this. Or here, this katha is first. This katha is that when they rubbed the musula, then all the particle of the iron and touch in the sword and manifest many and trees. What is called? Sarkhanda. Sarkhanda, understand? All kinds of look like bamboo trees, but their leaves are very sharp. There is everywhere you can see. Big tree. So once the Jodh, and they also, all their Jadavas, they also drank one kind of liquid. What is called? Somaras, something this. And they discuss about something, but this argument coming. Sometimes argument going very, very hard, and going to very climax. Useless katha. Sometimes stupid persons, they argument just simple katha. But when this simple katha is going, then very climax, then each others is fighting to each others and killing to each others. In the same way, so once these Jadavas, they're sitting together and discuss the simple katha. And they discuss these things, they argument to each others. Then argument going up, climax. Then they fight to each others. First they fight with their hands, hatha-hati. With these and punching. Oh, you are wrong, you are wrong. Then they also took the, what is called, sarkhanda, and that look like bamboo stick, and sarkhanda. And they also beating to each other. Then all they killed. Finish each other. Because the curse of Muni, this katha is here. Actually, this lila is called, Musa lila is called Mahaprajna. This is not true. Just like magician, magic tricks. Actually, all the Jadavas, they attend to the transcendental world. But people are thinking how Jadavas they are and killed each other. So this religion. Huh? What did I say? Huh? Pardon? Huh? So now coming in this way, and I just also explain this way, the Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, then Bhavya Viraha. Bhavya Viraha means when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, Mathura to Dwarka, then Gopis, they think Krishna will not come back. Then Gopis, they completely what? Hopeless. Understand? And day and night they are crying and crying. And Sukadeva Goswami Pad did not explain more this katha. After Brahmar Gita, no explain this. Because this is very pathetic how Brijavasis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. Uddhav, he also, what is your? Baladev Prabhu also came and tried to pacify Brijavasi, Braj Gopis, but not possible. This lies going on. So these types of viraha, just I have to explain. One is called Bhavi Viraha, Bhavan Viraha, and Bhavya Viraha. This thing also. Viraha is going on. And in the same way, Krishna, three types of also meeting. Bhavi Milan, Bhavan Milan, and Bhavya Milan. This means present, or just to try to understand future, present, and past. Purvarag, Purvarag, this here, Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and Prema Vaichitta. These are three types of viraha. Okay, four types of viraha. Purvarag, Man, Prabhas, and Prema Vaichitta. Are in the same way, and four types of meeting. And that is called Sankhipta, Sankirna, Sampurna, and Samriddhaman Milan. This is going on. So, Milan and Viraha, or Viraha and Milan. This is called the realm of love. Without Viraha, the meeting will be not realizable. No bina vipralambhena sambhoga pushti masnuti jata ranjita kasayate vastu. When the saffron cloth put in the saffron dye, it will be more and more delightfulness will come, deep color will come. Come in. So in the same way, Viraha creates these things. Viraha, nourishment, Milan. So saying in this way, no bina vipralambheno sambhoga pushti masnuti. This is very important. So why transcendental world need Viraha? Some sampradaya, they saying, for transcendental world, no need, there are no Viraha, only Milan. But Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Rupa Goswami Pad very clearly explained. In transcendental world also there, Viraha is there. If there is no Viraha, how possible here is Viraha? Some sampradayas, they are thinking only Milan Lila. They don't want to discuss about Viraha Katha or Gaudiya Vaishnava. That you know, Viraha is important. If not Viraha, how possible to realize the meeting? So saying this, so Rupa Goswami Pad composed these words, no vina vipralambeno sambhoga pushti masmi. So viraha, milan, viraha. Understand? Only meeting and no viraha. So this reliability is not realizable. So Krishna says two kinds. One is called Sakya, one is called Parakya. Sakya means that is called the wife and husband. Wife and husband relationship. That is called Sakya. Or Parakya, and there is a parallel mood is there. Lover and beloved. Understand this? But this Parakya Bhav only manifested in Golok Vrindavan. Only in the heart of the Braj Gopis. Not others. Not in the mood of Vatsalavati ladies. Vatsalavati, those who are mood of parental moods or motherhood moods towards Krishna. In their heart, no Parakya Bhav. Mother Jashoda, she has Parakya Bhav or not? No, not possible. She is Vatsala Bhav. She has and what is called Vatsala Bhav towards Krishna. Nanda Jashoda. Understand this? But the gopis, but who is gopis? Those gopis very close to Krishna. In that the heart of the gopis, Parakya Bhav is there. So he says, Jaya Jaya Jalorasa Sarvarasa Sar Parakya Bhavi Jatha Brajite Pichar. So if you want to know this Gopi Tattva everything, you have read Ujjal Nirmani Grantha. Otherwise, you may not understand nothing. That's for this regard, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad, he manifests which Grantha? Pala. Are Ujjal Nirmani Grantha. Naika Tattva is there. One is called Nayak Tattva and is called Naika Tattva. Hero and heroine. Understand it? This is very important. Though this is very high level, but have to learn. Otherwise your mind will be disturbed. Understand? One person asked, Gopi, Srimati Radhika, why did she marry? Why did she love and affection with Krishna? Why? Because Srimati Radhika, she married lady. Srimati Radhika, she married with Abhimanyu. According to Loka Leela. Loka Leela, Srimati Radhika, she married with Abhimanyu. Her husband name is Abhimanyu. So why Srimati Radhika, she hidden away met with Krishna? This is true. Or in this matter, any lady after marriage, she hidden away to meet with other person. Why we blaming? Why? What answer will give? here the Nayak, who is Nayak? Krishna. Krishna is Bhagavan. And Srimati Radhika, she is heroine, Naika. And Srimati Radhika, she is not an ordinary lady. Not any ordinary cow. She is the Hladini Shakti, pleasure potency of Krishna. And just joke mein asi arrange this Leela. So for Radha Krishna, ei Leela oti guratara. Das vatsalya nahi, ye sab gochar. सब एक सखी गणे तथा अधिकार सखी लीला करे तथा सखी लीला सदय चैतन्य चैतन्य राधा कृष्णेर এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর গুরুতর means very very confidential confidential লীলা তো রাধা কৃষ্ণের এই লীলা অতি গুরুতর দাস্য বাৎসল্য আদি নাহি এসব গোচর those who are the devotee of Dasya mood, Sakha mood and Vatsalya mood, they cannot understand this Leela. So saying that Radha Krishna ei Leela oti guratara Dasya Vatsalya adi nahi esab gochar. Sabek sakhi gane tatha adhikar sakhi Leela kare tatha sakhi Leela sadai. And this sakhi is of Srimati Radhika. And Jogmasi arranged this Leela. Because Krishna's all this Paramud Leela performed by Jogo Maya. Which arranged? Jogmaya. Krishna married with Srimati Radhika or not? Fala? No? When in Sakya mood, then we see the Srimati Radhika, she married with Krishna. That the evidence in Vandirvat. If you go Vandirvat, Radha Krishna marriage ceremony or not there? Showing this Leela. And Brahmaji himself came and arranged Radha Krishna's marriage ceremony. Fire sacrifice there. Gurudev, Srila Gurudev Srila Nand Goswami Maharaj very nicely, what is called? That the banyan trees and put the stone and arrange in this way. This Leela is there also. Radha Krishna Vivah Sthal. The written is there also. That place is the marriage ceremony of Radha and Krishna. Have you been or not? You seen or not? What do you see? Nothing. That banyan tree is there. And Gurudev written in there, Radha Krishna Vivastari. This place is place of marriage ceremony of Divine Guru Radha and Krishna. So who is saying? This Srimati Radhika, she did not marry with Krishna. Understand? So saying this.
Abhimanyu is a shadow.
And actual Puran also saying, and Srimati Radhika, she did not marry with also Abhimanyu. When the marriage ceremony was going on, Abhimanyu and Srimati Radhika. And that time Krishna actually took everything from Srimati Radhika. Krishna seated on the lap of Mother Jasoda. When marriage ceremony going, then Krishna took everything from Srimati Radhika. Understand? Even when they exchange the garland, and Krishna is very clever, and Chanchal Balak, Chanchal, rest level. When Abhimanyu have to give the exchange the garland to Srimati Radhika, then Krishna Krishna took the garland. Then everybody laughed, joked, oh, he's Chanchal Balak. Understand? Eh? So this Leela is going on this. Eh? Understand? You read this book. Madhu Smrita Radha. Radha Krishna Vivaha Leela is going on. How Jogmaya arranged this. Eh? So why this Leela is going on this way? Because in this material are two kinds of people. Eh? Those who are less intelligent, they don't, and they have less intelligent people, they have no interest about Parakya Bhav. Understand? This is the main thing. For this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad explain, okay. Those who have interest in Sakya Bhav, then showing Radha Krishna Vivaha Leela, different Leela. Different Puranas also explain. How Srimati Radhika, she married with Krishna, Sakya. Are those who are the high class, exalted devotee, they like which Leela? Parakya Leela. Parakya Bhav, Parvur mode. So this Leela is going on this. So it says, for this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explains, Radha Krishna, ei Leela, oti gudha tara, dasya vatsalya bhavir nahi esava gochar. Those are devotee of dasya bhav, sakya bhav, and vatsalya bhav, they are not qualified. So, okay. So Radha Krishna's, they are called Sakya Bhav. Understand this? So Krishna Leela, the Leela is this. One is called Sakya and is called Parakya Bhav. Understand or not? Golok Vrindavan.
Sometimes you sing Goloka, but Sakya, they're always together.
That is another subject. So just I explain this way, what is the meaning of Sakya and is called Parakya. But this Parakya mood, very, very confidential. This Parakyatta Bhav only manifested in Vrindavan, Golok Vrindavan, in the heart of the Braj Gopis. Even not manifest in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. What will say to others? So for the Vaikuntha di nahi, Jesava Leela Prachar, Sesava Leela Karibu Ami, Loke Jate, Hoy Chamatkar. This Parakyatta Bhav Leela not manifest in Vaikuntha Dham. Lakshmi Narayan, what Leela is there? Sakya Leela. Narayan si married with Lakshmi, according to the rules and regulations of Shastra, Vedas mantra. Understand? Brahmaji arranged their marriage ceremony, Lakshmi Narayan. This is a Puran Katha is there. Ajodhya also, Ramchandra, he married with Sita Devi. Sita Vivaha Prasanga is not there. Ram Sita Vivaha. What Vivaha? Ram Sita Vivaha is there. Sakyatta Bhav is there. Understand? Very, very beautiful Katha is there. Ramayana Katha is there. And Ramchandra is very strict, all the rules and regulations of the society. What is called Marjada Purushottam. Ramchandra is called Marjada. Raghukula Reti Sada Chaliyai Prana Jai Boru Bachana Na Jai. Ramchandra, he took vow. And I will accept only one consort, Sita Devi. Understand? So saying, Ramchandra, He established the Marjada. Marjada, rules and regulation of the society. So Ramchandra is called Marjada Purushottam. Understand? Or Krishna is called Leela Purushottam. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Prema Purushottam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Prema Purushottam Vada Sajanandana Gaur Hari. So now coming in this way, just as you told, what did he say?
His Leela was not shown in Vaikuntha.
This Parakita Bhav not manifest in Vaikuntha, not Ayodhya, even not also Dwarakapuri. What do you say? 16,108 queens are there. But Krishna did not perform Rasla in Dwarakapuri. Where is the Raslila need is what? Parakya Bhav. Without Parakya mood, Parabur mood, Rasla not possible to manifest. So saying Jai Jo Jalu Rasa, Ujjal Ras. Ujjal Ras means Singaras, Parakya Ras. So Jai Jo Ujjal Rasa, Sarva Rasa Sar, Parakya Bhavi Jatha, Brajit Prachar. What will say in this material world? In this material world not possible. Parakya Bhav. This Parakya Bhav is called stupid nonsense, rascal, and Narakgami, and sinful activity. Understand? So Parakya Bhav only manifests Golok Vrindavan, or only the heart of the Braj Gopis. But which Gopis? Not every Gopis. And so saying this. Mata Jasoda, she is Gopi or not? But Mata Jasoda's heart Parakya Bhav or not? Not possible. She is one pointed with her husband, Nanda Maharaj. Devaki and Vasudev. Is Vibha mantra. Devaki Vasudevascha, Nanda Jasodascha. This mantra. I'm singing when there's a marriage ceremony. Sing this mantra also. Nala Damayanti. Nal and Damayanti. Katha is also there. Many is there. Many mantras is there. You don't know, but when you marriage ceremony, I am chanting, but you have no idea. All mantras chanting. Not everything, but some mantras chanting, because that is your Gandharva mantra. Gandharva Vivaha. When the complete Vivaha, then chant all mantra. Fire sacrifice, Swaha, Swaha, Swaha. Understand? Many kinds of also Vivaha. One is called Rakshas Vivaha, Gandharva Vivaha, Dharma Vivaha, and not Adharma Vivaha. You understand? What is called? Dharma Vivaha, not Adharma Vivaha. So for this you are saying is, when you are married, then you are saying, she is my, what are you saying? Dharma Patni. What are you saying? Dharma Patni. That means according to the Dharma, rules and regulation, I married with her. So forget Dharma Patni. When you ask, who is she? And if you ask any perfect chaste lady, India, and who is she? Then he will be say, she is my Dharma Patni, not Adharma Patni. But this is true or wrong? What is saying? Dharma Patni. Not Adharma Patni. You understand or not? You not understand, but understand. I have to tell. What is saying? Dharma Patni, not Adharma Patni. Yes, who is he? Who is he? My Dharma Patni. You are saying wife. And wife and Dharma Patni not same. You try to understand. English word we saying wife. But say Dharma Patni. Patni means wife. But when it Dharma. Dharma means according to the Vedic rules you married. So for this regard you are saying my Dharma Patni. Sweet words, no? And only saying also, okay, so who is she? She is my Patni. That is not perfect word. But when we saying she is my Dharma Patni, Dharma Bharja, Sanskrit words, many words, Bharja, Patni, Dharma Patni. If I tell to, you may understand, your mind will be disturbed because this type are no sanskar. No sanskar. So if I tell you to, oh, wife, why you saying? You try to understand, wife and Dharma Patni not same things also. Dharma Patni, Agni Sakshi is there. What is it? Agni Sakshi, Vedo Sakshi, Brahman Sakshi. When do you marriage ceremony, you are saying or not?
I repeat everything you're going to say. I repeat everything you're going to say.
This is true or wrong? Witness. Saying the witness of air. Vayu Devata, Vayu Sakshi, Loko Sakshi, Surya Sakshi. There are many mantras there. When sacrifice, they Loko Sakshi, Agni Sakshi, Vayu Sakshi. Sakshi, understand? Witness. You cannot deny, I did not marry. You married. Many Vaishnavas are there. So this is. So many people think, oh, Patni and wife. And the same word. But no. English is same word. But when it is Patni, Patni means wife. A Dharma Patni means according to the rules I married. You cannot deny. When you go Jamaloka, they ask Jam Maharaj, hey, Fala, who is she? My Dharma Patni. Dharmapati. Patni Pati. Understand? Patni and Pati. Dharma Patni, Dharma Pati. It's simple. Chalo. So I also explain about Sakyatta Bhav. Sakyatta Bhav, Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, even Golok also Sakyatta Bhav saying this. Try to understand. But this Parakyatta Bhav only manifest Golok Vrindavan. Only these were heart in the heart of the Braj Gopis. So saying Jai Jai Jalorasa Sarva Rasa Sar Parakiya Bhave Jatha Brajit. Because that time is what? They Parakyatta means they that time Gopis, they spontaneous their love and affection, attachment with Krishna. Rageno. And spontaneous the attachment with Krishna. This thing also. So, just I will explain. Nayak Tattva and it's called Naika Tattva. Hero and heroine Tattva. And Now try to understand about heroine tattva. Which tattva? Heroine. How many types of heroine?
96.
Hush.
You need
Eh? 360. 360 types of heroine. So first this is called Sakya and Parakya. So how many? 2. Then coming that lady also is called Madha, Mugdha and Pragalbha. 3. So Madha also 3 types, Pragalbha also 3 types. And another is called Mugdha. How many? So 3, 3, 6 plus 1. 7. Or one is called also, I told already, Sakya and Parakya. So how many? 14. Understand? 7 into 2. 14. Or another card is also, that is called Kannaka. Kannaka, they are not married. They are called, actually, they are called immature. They are called Kannaka. Understand? So how many is there going? 14 plus 1, 15. And now 8 types of Ashtanaika. Understand? How many Naikas? 8. Abhisarika, Vasak Sajja, Utkandhita, Kandita, Vipralabdha, Kalahantarika, Prashita, Bhartika. Then Sadhin Bhartika Naika. So 7. No, 7, 8. So 15 into 8, how many? 120. Then again also all the heroine and Uttam, Madhyam and Kanishta. Uttam, Madhyam and Kanishta. As like Vaishnava also, 3 types are not. Uttam Vaishnava, Madhyam Vaishnava and Kanishta. In the same way, Naika also there are 3 types. Uttam, Madhyam and Kanishta. So 120 into 3. How many? 360. Valavindavan Vihari Lal. Finish or not? Just simple way understand this. If you remember this mathematical calculation, this is enough. What did you write?
In the beginning, the 7, I didn't understand.
Or first you write Sakya and Parakya. Second, Madha, Mugdha, Pragalbha. 3. Then every Madha also 3. And Pragalbha also 3. And so 3 into 3. 3 into 2. And Mugdha is 1. So Madha 3 types. Or Pragalbha 3 types. So 6. Or 1 Mugdha. So 7. And then Sakya Parakya 2. So how many is coming? 14. 14, then 1 is called Kannaka. Kannaka always, Kannaka means those who are not mature. They completely depend on their parents. That is called Kannaka. And Kanna. They are immature now. But they have love and affection with Krishna. So how many now? 14 plus 1, 15. Are then coming again Ashtanaika. 8 types of Naika is there. And Abhisarika, Vasak Sajja, Utkanthita, Khandita, Vipralabdha, Kalahantarika, Prasiddha Bhartika, then last Sadhin Bhartika Naika. Then 100, then how many? 8. 15 times 8. So 120. Then all also Naikas, according to their gun, qualities, also 3 types. Uttam, Madhyam and Kanishta. So 120 times 3. That's in Buddha. Balavindavan. 360. Understand? But here is one thing, is the Sakya, why you taking this here? Why you are taking the Sakya? Some gopis, they loved Krishna. And in their heart, and the Krishna is my husband. This mood is coming in. For this regard, they exchange the garlands to Krishna and in the forest. That is called Gandharva Vivadi, something. For this regard, they are also, their mood also Sakyata mood. Generally, when will be Sakya, married girl, married lady, that time when the married Sakya means, what did I say? That time it should be marriage ceremony with Brahmana. Need Brahmana. Brahman, we have to do your fire sacrifice. Need Brahman or not? Yes. Not who is walking on the field. Come. Brahman should be arrange their marriage ceremony, chant mantra, vivaha mantra. Understand? Once I met with one Brajavashi, Brahman Brajavashi. Okay. I asked, you arrange marriage ceremony? Yes. Well, what is your mantra? Maharaj, what is your mantra? I chant Hanuman mantra and chant. Hanuman ji did not marry. Hanuman ji is brahmachari. So why do you chant the Hanuman mantra? Many people are also doing this way. You understand or not?
Yes. Yes. Instead of using these other mantras, he used Hanuman mantra.
But the village people, they don't know what mantra is chanting. Philip. Just repeat. Pagal. Vivah's mantra is there. There are some rules is there. In our Vaishnava, also arrange this marriage ceremony, Satkriya Sardivika. Srila Gopal Bhatta Goswami explain. Vaishnava mantra, Vaishnava Shraddha. Shraddha, understand? Everything is there.
Funeral. Sharada.
All ceremonies.
Funeral ceremony. Sharada, you said?
Shraddha ceremony. The some mantra is there. Smarta Brahmana, they are doing different way. Or Vaishnava, according to Vaishnava philosophy, different way. Because Smarta Brahmana, mostly they chanted Dev Devi's mantra. And Kali, Shiv, Durga, and Indra, and all mantras they are chanting. And understand? Many, at least need 4 or 5 days. Many kinds of there. Smarta Vidhi. Smarta Brahman, they arrange these. I remember Vaishnava, just 3 hours. 2 hours. Not more than this, no need.
1 hour prepared.
1 hour prepare jagga and 2 hours fire sacrifice, then chalo. Huh? Good or not? What do you prefer? Actual, those gopis chanted which mantra? What is it called? Katyayani Vrata. Actually, they enter in Sakyata Bhava.
This what you mentioned, like here, but here, this like here.
Sakyata Bhava they will go. Because this mantra is there directly saying, Puti me kurute namaha. What is saying? Puti me kurute namaha. What is the mantra? Katyayani Mahamaye Mahajagandhishwari Nanda Gopa Sutam Pati me Kurute Namaha. Pati has used Pati. But Gurudev used this word Upapati Kurute Namaha. Which you see, when Gurudev he used to come in Chirghat, that time Gurudev Nan Goswami Maharaj he chanted it. Upapati Kurute Namaha. This thing. So those who are this mantra is enough. Because mantra will give the fruits according your pronunciation. Karma kanda means this way. Karma kanda, understand? Right? The karma kanda give the fruits according your pronunciation. This is the giving. Upapati means parable mood. Krishna, he will our beloved. This one. Arpati means husband. So here they taking the Sakyata and Parakyata. Sakya and Parakyata. Jiva Goswami Pada explain. And Kechit sometimes also accept for the pleasure for the Kurmis by others. Sakyata. But my own opinion, Parakyata Bhav. Jiva Goswami Pada explain, my own opinion is what? Parakyata Bhav. Because so many, what is called? Arguments is going with Sakyata and Parakyata. If it's Sakyata and Parakyata, and some gopis there in their mind they think Krishna is our become husband. Understand? Pati bhav is there. The big problem will come. But when first to come is the what do you call Krishna's Prakat Leela. Understand? When and you take birth in the womb of Gopi Griha Janma. Vastu Siddhi. First you say Asan Siddhi, even though you don't know what is the meaning of Asan Siddhi. Asan Siddhi, understand? Pala, what is the Asan Siddhi? Every day you sit one seat, Asan Siddhi comes. Same Asan. Asan Siddhi, the best. Same Asan.
One asana for everyone here. The same asana. I don't sit here. He's saying you are every day sitting in the same place.
Same place, but not the Asan. Hey,
She's saying this is asana. She's saying.
First name is called Asan Siddhi. Simple way, Asan Siddhi. If you go, some yogis also there. They also first is Asan Siddhi.
skin also.
Huh?
Deer skin.
Huh?
Ancient time they used.
Is that deer?
Why that's like what is speciality with deer?
Huh?
Deer skin asana is some speciality.
Deer skin is very auspicious. And as like conch is auspicious, no? Conch dhani. The sound of the conch. But the conch is also what? That is called the bone. Bone or not? Bone is what? Impure, apavitra. But conch, though conch is bone, but conch is also pavitra. Huh? This one. And urine and stool, pavitra or apavitra? Apavitra. But urine of the cows, gomutra, pavitra. Okay. Deer skin, pavitra.
Should be already deer who died himself.
What do you say? No, you should not kill the deer. Wool also, pavitra.
Some hair.
Black.
Some yogis, tiger skin also.
Yogi is a tiger. You are yogi or not? So you got tiger skin.
I'm Bogi.
Shivji, he wears tiger skin and Vyagra charma. Vyagra charma. Shivji wears and tiger skin. Huh? They're different. Shastra saying this. So first need your asana siddhi. Asana siddhi important. And asana siddhi two types. On the seat or asana siddhi means also do on asana.
Posture. Sitting posture. Sitting posture.
Siddhi per seat. Sitting posture. That is called? Which called? Yeah.
Siddhasana, Padmasana.
Padmasana. And the best asana is called Padmasana. Padmasana. But Kali is very difficult. Everybody is also a knee problem. Understand? So, how to do? At least take one asana every day, carry on that asana. Always you carry on asana. Asana.
Shavasana. Do Shavasana, just lying down. Shavasana.
Savasana. Savasana.
That lay down.
That is for the, what is it called? No. Those who are doing, what is it called? Yogis. What kinds of yoga? Those who worship Devi Kali, Durga Devi. Savasana. That is very dangerous.
Oh, yeah. No, I don't mean this, Maharaj. I mean
You are saying
the
this.
one lying down.
Kundalini yoga.
Oh, this is.
Kundalini yoga. This is not need our.
I don't mean this. I mean lying down. This also we call it Shavasana, like a corpse.
Oh, yes.
Not
Like
upon
Dandavats.
the corpse.
The Dandavats.
Dandavats. You mean.
Sirsasana. Sirsasana. Your head touch the ground and two legs up. In our Keshavji Guru, one sannyasi is there. He left body, Mangalwari. He always doing this Sirsasana. His head touch the ground and two legs actually. One day Gurudev came and beat him. Gurudev beating, but still also doing this. Yeah? These two legs. Very far. First, asana siddhi, then mantra siddhi, then bhav siddhi, saru siddhi, then vastu siddhi comes. Not so easy. You are thinking one day you will become gopi. Hey, pagan. Chant holy name. Hey, who wants to become gopi? Okay, so wait. Your desires is good. This is true. Why not? You want to become gopi. This is good also. As like baby saying, I will become doctor, lawyer. This is good one. But now he is small baby. Desire is good or not? Yeah. Why not? Asasya dasya visabhanu jaya. Asasya dasya visabhanu jaya. So asasya dasya, only hope I will become the maid servant Srimati Radhika. Hope is good. Understand? If you're simple, no duplicity, no hypocrisy, just Lalita Devi listen this your prayers. Then Lalita Devi catch you and offer to Lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Lalita Ashtakam saying or not? What saying? Follow. Jang kamapi brajakule vishabhanu jaya. Tatkali na jang kamapi brajakule vishabhanu jaya. Tadastad ghadaten. This sloka is here. Lalita Ashtakam. Just you think, I want to become maid servant Srimati Radhika. Then Lalita Devi she catch you and offer to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. They are saying, which one? Lalita Ashtakam. Jam kamapi brajakule visabhanu jaya. Prikshak sa sapraksha padvi unuruddhamanam. Saddha tad ista ghate na kritartentim. Deving gunoi sulalitang lalitang namam. And how is Lalita Devi? She is very compassionate. And Karunamai is Lalita Devi. Deving gunoi sulalitang lalitang namam. Just every day when you wake up, just think, I want to become the maid servant Srimati Radha. One day you listen or not? Every day saying. And baby, what is yours? Your son is saying, Papa, give me this. One day your father will listen or not? One day you listen. Papa, give me. What are you saying? What do you ask your father? Give me ice cream. Father is saying, I have no money.
One day he will save money to buy this.
One day father will save his money and buy one ice cream for you. Okay, take it. Good or not? But don't ask buy ice cream. What do you ask?
One day I become the maid servant.
One day I will become. One day Lalita Devi will be list. Every day you pray, why not? Jam kam opi brajakule visabhanu jaya. So just also explain. Lalita Devi. Radhikar dasi jadi hoi abhiman shigrai milay tabe gokula khan. राधा भजने यदि मति नहीं भेल कृष्ण भजन तब अकाराने गया आतप रहित न सूरज नहीं मानी राधा विरहित पूजे सो ज्ञानी अज्ञानी. Okay. So all is So what do you want? Sakyat bhav or Parakita bhav? Parakita. Not material one. Then big problem will come. That's it. মনে মনে সিদ্ধ দেহ করিয়া ভাবন রাত্রি দিনে রাধা কৃষ্ণের করহ সেবন। And when you advance devotee, then in your mind you think you will transcendental constituent form. সিদ্ধ দেহ চিন্তন, মনে মনে সিদ্ধ দেহ করিয়া ভাবন রাত্রি দিনে রাধা কৃষ্ণের করে। তাসাং মধ্যে মনোরমা নানা অলঙ্কার সুশোভিতা। This is your Sanak Samhita explain this. The Siddha Deva Chintan. Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Now you are hungry, take prasad. Those who are Nirjala Ekadashi, they can continue sit and chant holy names and sit under the tree. Good or not? I think how many will also complete Nirjala Ekadashi? Raise hand. No one. Huh? Huh? He did not come.
He's in the room.
Not listen Harikatha. Tired. Huh? Nirjala. Okay, give 2 claps first. Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Okay. Now do Arati, then take prasadam. Then again 6 o'clock. Don't delay. And very nicely decorate. Yesterday you are not decorated. Not good. Go fast. Oh, you will not take prasad? No, Nirjala.
I need to work now.
Oh, you need to work. Okay.
But later
I will come. Okay.
thank you.
Thank you. Nice. Bala Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Huh?
What time you want them? Prepare. What time we should be ready for them?
Then Harikatha finish about 9 o'clock. Huh?
Only one.